Welcome to the sixth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 1. Today, we will take a look at knit stitches. In SmartGraph's Knit Instructions module, you can switch between various view modes using the navigator panel on the right. The first mode, Color Mode, provides a clearer overview of knit instructions, particularly useful for jacquard graphics. The third mode, Knit Structure Mode, displays the knit stitches for each pixel in the knit instruction. The second mode, Stitches Simulation Mode, shows a real-time 2D simulation of knit stitches. We will introduce all the knit stitches and their common uses. The basic stitches are front stitches, back stitches, and full needle stitches. These stitches can be combined to create various ribs. Moving on to float stitches, there are three types of options available. You can see the differences in the auto transfers generated. Most of the common knit and transfer options are provided in SmartGraph. Now let's move on to common tuck stitch options. Here are some common combinations of knit and tuck stitches. Tubular stitches are formed using knit and purl stitches without auto transfers. Tubular stitches can be represented in rows or in revolutions. Lastly, we have common split stitch options for changing single-face structure to double-face structures. Auto binding off machine codes can be generated using the greater than or less than marker. For common widening and narrowing options, machine codes are generated and can be customized according to the machine used. SmartGraph offers many cable options, and the machine codes can also be generated automatically. This marks the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.